To install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy M17e, you need to open up the Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to go ahead and search for the app WhatsApp. From here, you're going to go ahead and select it, and then tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. From here, once it's finished downloading, just go ahead and select open to launch it, and let's now go through the process of setting it up. So choose the language you want to set it up in, and then agree and continue to the privacy policy and terms of service. And then give WhatsApp permissions to necessary settings on your phone. Then go ahead and input your phone number. From here, tap on next and confirm that that is the correct phone number. Then from here, you just need to verify. Now you can choose to verify with a phone call, or you can choose to verify another way and get a one-time message or just even a link to confirm that it's you. So choose whichever verification method that you want. You may be prompted to give necessary permissions. So go ahead and do that and wait for the verification process to complete. From here, you then need to give the necessary permissions again. So there's other permissions that you'll be prompted to allow. So go ahead and do so. And then enter in your profile info. And you can also choose to add a profile image. It's completely up to you. And then select next. If you have an email that you'd like to use for whenever it comes to verification or just saving, you can choose to use it, or you can just choose to skip and do that later. And now you'll be able to use WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.